If you want to switch between gesture navigation and your buttons navigation, so it's quite easy to do. First of all, you are to open up your settings. Now let's find our display tab. Scroll down until you'll find your navigation bar tab. There it is. So here we have two options, buttons and swipe gestures. If you're using your buttons, they're quite easy to do. So here is the back button, here is the home button, and here is a recent apps button. As for the swipe navigations, if you're gonna choose it, to go back you are to swipe from the left or from the right side of the screen. To go to home you are to swipe up from the bottom of your screen, and to open up your recent apps you are to hold your finger and drag it up a little bit, just like that. And basically that's it. You can switch between them anytime. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.